Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming at you with another more vlog style video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I packed for my vacation. So I recently went on vacation to Williamsburg, Virginia for a family little vacation, and we actually went for about 7 days. So I packed, I actually pre-filmed this video before I left of me packing, and I realized as I started editing that I didn't have an intro, like a formal intro. So I thought I'd give this to you right now, and you know, I throw in a few tips here and there, which I think are really great like tips for packing, especially for a longer vacation. So yeah, it could be tough when you're packing so many shoes and bags and clothing and outfits. So I share some tips along the way, so definitely stay tuned all throughout because I'll be sharing some tips here and there. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and let's see what I packed for vacation. Okay, so I am in the process of packing right now, and this is what it looks like. It's just kind of like, I like to start off with just setting all the main outfits. First, I just had like all the clothing items down, and then I would start adding like shoes and accessories like accordingly to each outfit. I do not like to overpack. I made that mistake many times in the past, and when you bring too many shoes, especially like shoes and handbags, it just gets to be way too overwhelming when you're on vacation. But I do have some extra outfits though to blog and just items like that. So it is a little bit extra than what I would normally take, but if I wasn't a vlogger or doing YouTube videos, but you know, I want to bring some extra to, you know, share some extra content with you guys. So this is like over here, I kind of have my bags. Again, I tried to really size down on the bags that I'm taking because they do take up a lot of space, and I just don't want to take too many like designer items. So I went with this scalloped tote right here. And then I'm taking my Chloe bag. This Chloe bag is good for just like when I want to dress up my outfit. I'm bringing my straw round tote by Clara V. And then I have my Rebecca Minkoff little round mini bag. And then this new little straw bag. And then as far as shoes, I brought one pair of sneakers. I don't know, I'm not sure if I'm probably not going to travel in these, but I'm gonna, in case I want to work out or something, or just, you know, walk around the resort, I just have these. And then I have these nude sandals, which you guys know, if you've been watching a few of my videos, you've probably have seen these already a bunch of times, and I just love them. They're very comfy. And then I have my Jack Rogers, these little crystal sandals. You guys, in the light, they like sparkle so much. Then what I like to do, I don't like to walk around like the condo or any hotel room for that matter. I don't like to walk around barefoot, so I do bring a pair of these like cheap Old Navy flip-flops. I got these for like $3 I think, and you know, they're just like easy to slide on and off, and you could just like not worry so much about getting them dirty or whatnot. And then I have a pair of bow slides, some neutral wedges, my blush platform sandals, and then I have my Chloe or See by Chloe eyelet like scallop wedges. Okay, I'm not going to go into detail on every single piece of clothing because you guys will see a lot of the lookbooks and stuff like that. I don't want to show every single outfit, and that way this video would be way too long. I am going for 8 days total, so I mean, this isn't too, I don't feel like I didn't overpack, but as I said, I'm going to bring a few extra outfits to you know, shoot some content for you guys. So over here we have some dresses and rompers in this row, and then I have some cover-ups and like little beach cover-ups there. Here I have some t-shirts and some tops, and I have some pajamas and like just like lounge wear. And then over here I have some shorts, and then some more dresses here again. And then that little like blue pouch with the flowers on it, that it has a bunch of jewelry in it. As you can see, if you've seen my channel before, I've talked about these packing cubes in the past. So I'm going to basically they're all like stacked inside. But I'm basically going to take all this and try to get these all into packing cubes and organize them. Probably just going to organize them by like type of clothing. So I'll put all dresses in one cube, and then and so on and so on. Oh, and then here are my bikinis here too. Show you guys a little peek. I love them. And I have to actually probably pack another one or two because, you know, I definitely need a lot more because I'll be spending a lot of days at the pool. So, oh, and then I almost forgot to show you guys this little section over here. these are my accessories that I'm taking. On the right, you can see some headbands. In the middle are some sunnies. And then my 2 belts. So I'm going to get these packed into packing cubes, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's all packed up. So I got one of the packing cubes packed already, but I thought I'd just share with you guys how it looks before I go any further, so that you could see inside one of them. But I just basically, well, I at least tried to roll everything. I usually like to roll all my clothing when I pack, but these are all dresses and rompers. And as you'll see in 1 second. Okay, so I just zipped this up. I really actually had no problem trying. It looks like it's pretty stuffed, but it all fits perfectly. I got, I'd say, about 10 pieces, like 10 dresses and rompers in here, which is really nice. So it definitely holds a lot, and you can see everything that you've got. So when you're like unpacking everything, everything's like kind of contained. And then I actually didn't even realize this until now, but these actually have a zipper on the back of these. So if you want to pack even more stuff inside, they have like a really deep pocket. So you can even add more accessories or things that go with this. You could just pack that in there as well, which is really a nice feature. Okay, so I'm actually surprised that I was able to get everything that was just on the floor into this, which is a piece of luggage, which is actually a carry-on. And then my Louis Vuitton Keep All, this is the 55 size. So I'm just so surprised that I got all that in there. And then of course, this tote over here has all my shoes in it. And then I basically nested all of my bags within each other, just so that they're all kind of contained. That's my Clairvy though. And then I do have, let's see. So on this side, I have like anything I would need for like skincare or just like my toothbrush, but that still has to go in there. I actually make, so what I do is as I'm packing things that I can't pack, like such as a toothbrush or like my phone charger or like my camera battery, which I want to charging right now actually. And which actually, really quick tip here, if you have anything that needs to be charged, like a laptop, a camera, any of your cameras or whatever, I would recommend charging them like full to their fullest capacity before you leave. That way you're like set, and then you're not like forgetting, you know, because it's like so crazy busy on vacation. So so what I like to do as I'm like finding what I need to like pack stuff in the morning, I'll make this like little notepad list, and then in the morning I just check it off so I don't forget anything. So I kind of like go through my routine in my head as far as like skincare and makeup. My makeup I'll be putting on in the morning, so as I put it on, I'll be just placing that in that left section on the, like in the cosmetic case. I really do love this. This is from, I want to say this is Pottery Barn. I'll link what I can below as far as what I've been using, like my luggage and everything. I'll link what I can so that you guys can check it out if you want. And I really like this. It's like nice and clear, and it's wipeable and all that good stuff. But I'm not going to obviously be putting on false lashes to travel, so I just put those in there already, and just like random stuff. So yeah, so I just have to put my makeup brushes and my makeup in there, and then the rest though, I mean, I'm pretty much packed. Besides my camera, which is actually charging, and I do have like my shampoo and conditioner in full size, which I just gonna put into a like regular bag in case it spills or whatever. But yeah, that's everything I packed. So I guess I could zip this baby up and go to bed, and then actually wake up in the morning and be like organized. And then I actually have my travel outfit for the morning already ready. So it's just like I have it sitting here. I have this little kimono, and then this like white tee, and then these really, really comfy shorts. I'll link everything below if you guys want to check it out. It's like a really comfy travel outfit. Oh, I forgot. And these are all of my sunglasses. I'm just going to put them in my purse, and my purse is downstairs. So I'm just going to put that in the morning, and so that those can't obviously get crushed. I don't have a case for each of them. So yes, that is how I packed everything. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, I have 3 hats that I'm bringing. And of course, usually if I had a larger suitcase, I would put those in a suitcase, but this is just a carry-on size, which is amazing that I got to pack everything within these 2 pieces for like 8 days. That's crazy. I'm so proud of myself. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some tips and tricks for you to use when you're packing for your next little getaway. So that's about it for today's video. If you liked it, definitely give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more tip and trick of style video, and I'll definitely do that for you guys. So that's it for today's video, and I will talk to you all soon in my next one. Bye.